Hey everyone, you're watching Hannah and Carly, and today we're going to be showing you guys how to do these awesome DIY New Year's nails. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is apply a base coat to all of your nails to make sure that your nail polish stays on longer. Once you've done that, you're going to apply a black polish to all of your nails. The next thing you're going to do is take a top coat and then apply glitter onto it. So as you can see, I'm going to apply the top coat onto the nail and then lightly dust the gold glitter onto it, making a French tip, and then pulling forward just a little bit to add a fading effect. Then you're going to do that to all of your nails. On the ring finger, we have decided to put glitter on the entire nail to kind of make it look like an accent, but that is totally optional. Finally, the last step is to just apply a top coat to all of your nails. We hope you guys have enjoyed watching or even trying these nails along with us. We'll see you next time. Bye!